go.
Good morning. My name is James. I'm with Centennial Roofing. We are here at the request of State Farm Insurance to perform a repairability assessment of this roof here. The customer's name is Andrea Brewer. The claim number is 4250K as in kilo, 533F as in foxtrot. State Farm has prescribed X amount of shingles to be repaired. I believe it's 4 or 5 shingles. We are the second contractor on this one. The agent has asked us to step in and attempt to repair it. It is in our opinion that this roof is not repairable due to a number of factors, but the main one being repairability, as well as line of sight and reasonable uniform appearance. We believe that once we repair this roof or attempt to, there will be no reasonable uniform appearance, and line of sight will then come into play, and so it'll not match in like, kind, or quality. On top of all that, just not being repairable either. So this shingle right here, if you want to take the camera in, you can see right here was already documented by State Farm as one of the damaged shingles, so we'll just go ahead and pick this one out. What I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this shingle. You can step back just a little bit. So it's this shingle right here and these two next to it. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to break the sealant. Alrighty, so this is the old shingle. We'll just set this right here for now. Remove some of these nails in here. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is slide this new shingle in and then attempt to install it. 3-tab shingles are installed twice, essentially they're nailed in twice. So once on the row right above it on the sealant strip, and then on the row above that one. So I'm lifting 2 rows to nail it in. There we go, line it up. Now I'm just gonna nail the shingle in. Alrighty, so as you can see, this is not a reasonable uniform appearance match, right? This does not match in light, kind, or quality whatsoever. Line of sight is definitely going to be a factor. So if we attempt to repair the amount of shingles that State Farm is requiring us to repair, it's going to look like a checkerboard all over this roof. Also, if you want to bring the camera in real quick, you can see as I was installing this shingle, these shingles, there's a lot of granule displacement, right? And I also had to break the sealant right here. So there's going to be a trouble with the shingles resealing. Okay, so that's an issue, that's a liability right there, as well as they're starting to form a crease line right there as well. So all those things are going to lead to us stating that this is not a repairable roof whatsoever. To bring our mutual customer back to pre-loss condition, a full roof replacement must be needed. So we'll send this in and we await your response. Thank you.